So number 4, talking about this fundraiser. You're selling tickets, 250 tickets for $5,625. The expenses cost you $6,182.50. So I don't know about you, but if you think about it, if you're making this much money and spending that, you lost money. So you can cross out B and D. So first subtract the two numbers and you're going to get a number. Then to figure out the price per ticket, which is a unit rate, divide it by the number of tickets, 250. Craig rent bowling for $25. He rented shoes for $5.25 and paid $4 per game. What was the greatest number of games he could play? Now here's the thing. You have to realize you could only play full games. You can't play a part of a game. So, first, he has his $25. He knows that he's going to spend $5.25. So when you subtract that, you'll get $9.75. With that $9.75, how much is it per game? $4. Divide that by 4. Once you do that, you could figure out how many games he plays. Make sure you pick the one that you can actually pay for. If you only have enough money to pay for 6 games, you can't round up to 7. You actually round down in these type of questions. Think logically. Ben earns $9 per hour and $6 for each delivery he makes. He wants to earn more than $155 in an 8-hour workday. What is the least number of deliveries he must make to reach his goal? So figure out, he's doing $9 an hour, he's working 8 hours. So first is 9 times 8. And I sure hope everyone realizes that's 72. So, he wants to make 155, and he's only going to make 72. With his money, you're going to get a certain number. Take that number, divide it by 6, and that will help you figure out what you need to do to get the right answer. Think logically. The least number of deliveries. We've seen this question before. It's kind of getting old. So you're buying 4 shirts. They all cost the same. One coat for $20. You're spending $160. How much is it for each shirt? So you take your $160 minus your coat. And you're left with the price of the shirts. How many shirts? 4. So it's $140 for 4 shirts. Divide it and you get your answer. If you come over here, Roberto bought snacks to take to his soccer team's practice. He bought a bag of oranges for $5.65 and he bought a 12-pack of water bottles. The cost was $12.13. Which equation could be used to determine B, the price for each water bottle? So, the total cost is going to be your $12.13. So we're good with that. Now the B has to do with the water bottles. How many water bottles are there? There's 12 water bottles. Okay, so the 12 needs to go with the B. The only choice that goes with 12 and the B is D. Here, the B is going with the oranges. They don't have anything to do. Bottles, right? Bottles of water should not be with $5.65. So that one's wrong. This one's saying it's 12 bottles and then 12 packages of oranges. That's wrong. And here you're saying 12 times $5.65 plus just the water bottles is that. I don't know about you, but 5 times 12 is 60. Never going to equal $12.30. So the only logical answer is that. When you come down here, the total cost for a drink at for food and drink at a party was less than $116. Assuming $80 was spent on food and 12 bottles of fruit drinks were bought at a cost of D dollars per bottle, write an equation to represent the possible cost of each bottle of fruit drink. So, off the bat, you know that you're spending $116. You're spending $80 on the food, and 12 bottles of fruit drink. So plus 12D. That's it. That's all you need to do for that part. What is the greatest amount that could have been spent on one bottle? So you're looking for the unit price. So if you have 116, subtract your food, you're left with 36. And $36 divided by 12 bottles, you're going to get $3 per bottle. And you're done. Good luck. Study.